There are certain men, God told them in their encounter, he said, you will never beg. When you see that man preaching and saying, nobody here can help us, don't be quick to repeat it. Yours will be an echo. Because that day you said it is the day the person that would have given you $1 million came for service. You will say, this is a proud person. I'll go and donate this money to an orphanage. You just sent your money away because you heard somebody with an encounter speak. You now came to echo it. An echo is never an original sound. What makes your utterance original is that you caught it on the mountain.